So today we're taking a look at some headphones. These are studio headphones, I guess they call them, DJ headphones. These are the NUBWO HD01 monitoring headphones. So, this is probably really good for like what I do here in the studio because I want the sound to be accurate. If you guys want more bass on it, you can turn bass up in your own stereo, right? If you want it to be more trebly, do that as well. But I want the sound to have a nice accurate depiction of how it was recorded. So these, not expensive. I think they come in like 70-ish bucks. So again, the HD01, here's some website information on there. 1-year warranty, 24/7 customer service, easy returns, and there's your little support. Seems good to go. It does come in a little case, which is nice. Little case. Let's put that over there. It comes with cables. So this is also important because these are not Bluetooth, right? So again, cable connected, which is what we want for monitoring headphones because of the fact that we need it to be accurate. We don't want like Bluetooth delay. We don't want, Bluetooth compression artifacts that are inside the audio, et cetera, et cetera. So this is cable. So it does show here, of course, you can plug it into your Xbox One, your PS4, 5, Nintendo Switch, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Package contents, sharing feature. Oh, it has a sharing feature. That's actually really cool. So if you really want to, on the headphones themselves, you can go into one pair of headphones, out to another pair. So that two of you, let's say you're traveling, two of you can listen or watch the movie together. You're on the plane, one iPad. One's like, I'm going to watch a movie. The other one's like, well, I guess I'll just sit here and watch it, but not listen to it. No, you can listen and be part of it as well. So you do have the 1/8 inch to the 1/4. So if you're plugging this into like a soundboard or something that requires this, and we do have the 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch. So just kind of realize which side goes there. This is your 3 and this is your 2. I'm trying to remember which way goes which, so I can tell you guys. I guess the easiest way for me would be to look at this one, yeah? So 3. So 3 would go into the headphones, yes? 3 into headphones, this go into your what other device? I'm gonna actually plug it into a computer once we unbox this. We're gonna go over there and take a listen. Anyways, this is the headphone themselves. Kinda nice, nice and light. Now they don't have a crazy fold-up design like a lot of headphones. You can really fold them up. That's not the case, but they are professional. You guys can see that right there, right? They are professional, and there's that kind of one headphone in, one headphone out, which I think is kind of cool. Other than that, simple. You're not going to see any controls on these. You're not going to see anything for Bluetooth or volume or et cetera, et cetera. They are being plugged in, and that is it. That is it. So that's all right. Now I don't know. Does it tell me which side is actually the side for plugging in your goodness? Now my guess would be, as I can see, I would think a left-hand side. Left-hand side. So this side right here. So did I do this right? This I think goes in there. Click. Yes. This spins, but I think that's just, oh no, it actually spins and tightens. Well, that's kind of nice. And then this side will go into the computer. But before we do that, let's just left. Okay. So they are nice and light. There's not a lot of padding here. I have to say, there's not a lot. It's enough. Padding on the top. Okay. Again, if you're going to put this up against, $100, $200, $300 headphones, you're going to be like, well, come on. Padding wise, again, yeah, it doesn't, but it fits your ears good. At least it fits my ears good. Okay. While we have that on here, let's kind of talk about some of the actual specs. So, now that we've actually put them on the HD01 headphones, spec-wise. So, as you can see, these are wired. They're over-the-ear studio monitor headphones. They have 45mm drivers. These are designed for recording, mixing, DJ work. You could use them for gaming, everyday listening, kind of whatever you want. So they have a closed back design, which does help block out some outside noise. And definitely, because you can tell, right? And definitely keep sound from leaking out while you're going to be recording or you're doing any kind of editing. Now, the ear cups themselves do rotate, which is useful if you're doing single ear monitoring. So it says rotate. Oh yeah, see, you can see these rotate right here, which should make them again more comfortable for longer sessions. So if you're doing like single ear, you can actually be like, okay, I do them like this. Okay, that's cool. And they also come with the detachable cables. And as we saw, support for both 3.5mm and 6.35mm connections, or the quarter-inch. So you can plug them into, let's say, your phone, your computer, if you have an audio interface, mixer, or any other kind of studio gear that you may actually have. So, again, on paper, these are definitely aimed at creators, musicians, and pretty much anyone who wants, I want to say, an affordable wired set of headphones that give you kind of that studio style setup. But again, on paper, this is specs, and that's probably only a bit of the story. So actually, let's run over there and see how these actually sound, shall we? Okay, so I have my headphones plugged in. I do, but I don't think I have them actually set up as the actual audio source. So I kind of have to make sure I do that, because if not, I'm like, they sound not great. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Win. All right. Now, of course, that's going to change depending on what you do. And sound-wise, again, if you're looking at this and being like, oh, I need all this kind of bass and all this kind of treble, that's not what it is. But it's got a really, surprisingly, they got a nice clean sound. So if I came into, let's say here, again, we'll just find another video. It doesn't have to be anything overly exciting. Let's go do one more video just to see if something that, this is one that I actually did some, I want to say, audio finessing to get it a little more, what I would want it published as. So that's okay. So I think the real question now, and I think for, again, studio work where you're editing or something like that, and you're, a bit on a budget for sure, these are actually going to do pretty good. I think I'll actually use these today when I'm actually editing this actual video. Now, the other thing is how they perform if you're going to use them outside of studio work. And you're like, well, I bought headphones, so I also want to be able to listen to music on them. And I get that. Why do you need 8 different pairs of headphones? You just want one. So let's go into our music app here. And I got my lovely 3 Days Grace. So let's do this song, because this song's actually, I dig it. I love it. Okay, so I will say, at least for me, going through this, they're not crazy bassy, for sure. Again, being that they're studio, it's probably not what their premise is. So again, not crazy bassy. I may actually switch over here because, this has got multiple audio things going through. So I don't want to say that I don't want to say that the sound is, not bassy if it's one of these devices that are causing the issue. So let's go to this machine just for a second. Okay, so we're over here now, and I'm just trying to find my headphone jack, because things are falling all over the place. I don't want anything to go wrong. I wish I had a headphone jack just on the front of this, but I don't. Something clicked in. That's a good sign. Something clicked in. Again, we're going to go to my audio just to see. I'm going to completely hooch this machine here just because of the fact that, it was already connected and sounding good. Sound output set up to there. Let's actually set it up to my external headphone jack. Okay. Because again, now it's just coming straight out of my Mac. No other products in the mix that could be giving it a bit of a hindrance. So let's just come back in here. Recent. All right. We're going to go back same song, because we have to go back same song. Ready? Okay. So still, sound-wise, good. Volume, good. Very treble and mid-focused, for sure. Bass is there, better than there, because that must have been going through like 6 different audio converters. But here, the bass definitely suffers. So I think if you were wearing these for music or gaming or stuff like that, would it work? Yeah. Would you get optimum sound? No. These are designed for me, like I said, for editing. But I do like the fact that if I did this, right, and I wanted a single, I do like the fact that this spins. I think that's actually kind of cool, right? So if you wanted to be able to spin that a bit so it fits properly. Yeah, it seals good. Like it actually seems to seal the sound good, which is nice. It does suffer a bit on the bass, for sure. That's that's a given. Definitely suffers a bit on the bass. So if you are looking for bass, strong, bass heavy, you're gonna be, I think, disappointed. The final thought on these is, if you're like me and you're gonna use these for editing, you're gonna use them maybe for studio work so that you can get that nice, pure, clean sound before you start, running them through an equalizer, or before you start trying to manipulate the sound that's coming out of them, and you just want it's pure, coming through, then I think they're okay. I think they're decent, and again, at that $70 price point, that's not horrible. It's not horrible. But I do think if you want something that's got a more full sound, or just a sound that, you buy one set of headphones, you can use them for studio work. You can use them for editing. You can use them for playing your games. You can use them for listening to music. And you can really get that full bass, that full sound. Then you may want to, you may want to spend more money. They're okay. They're okay. But again, I think for me, for editing, fine. Anything else, I'll definitely use a different pair of headphones for sure. Because I just want more bass. Without question, I want more bass. All right, guys. If you think these are kind of cool and they're in your price point, you're going to use them strictly for like editing or studio work, then I'll leave links down below. You guys can go take a look, get some more information, and go from there. If not, that's cool too. Don't buy something just because I say so, right? Buy it because you need it. Other than that, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.